Sometimes you get data that aren't properly formed and you can't just go ahead and do a join. You have to make sure you have this basically one-to-one or one-to-many relationship. So here we have county names that are set for a data set. We have the California polygons by counties, and there's one county with each name. And we have another data set that's recreation features, but you notice there are multiple features per county. So if I try and do a join from the rec features table to the county table, there's this many-to-one relationship, which you should know by now is not a good thing because you won't know which one you'll get. You can only basically make one record for each polygon, and so one table record, and so you're getting multiple opportunities and you just don't know which one to join. So we have to remove this many-to-one relationship and turn it into a one-to-one or a one-to-many. In this case, it has to be one-to-one. So if we look at the forest and parks, what we're interested in, and we look at exporting just those records for forest and parks, we would then go ahead and subset the records. So at least if we do a many-to-one join, we'd get something coming across. If it's the park or the forest, it just identifies a county that has one or the other. So we could do this and stop there, but you'd be better off summarizing so you only have a one-to-one and identifying those that have basically park or forest. And so you go ahead and do the summary, and just we're pulling the first record so we have a match. And so that summarized feature will then create a new results table, and then we can do the one-to-one join. This is a common sort of thing. Here in the summary output, then if we look and sort by county name, we only have one entry for each county, but you can't take as granted that you have the data in the proper form when you're going to be joining them. You can get messy results. Now we're adding an indicator field here that will just give it a value of 1. That way we can use it as a variable to color our image by, because once we do the join, if we do an inner join, and you should know what that is, then we're going to get blank records where we don't have a park or forest, and there'll be nulls, and we'll get ones where we do have a park or forest. So if we color on this indicator variable, we can go ahead then and get a map that shows places that have county parks or forests, or counties that don't have parks or forests.